So tonight's feast is pure perfection. Slow cooked brisket beef in under 70 minutes. Join me now to see how.
Morning folks, Daniel here from Roots and Resilience. Well, looking outside, winter has finally arrived. So I'm back in the kitchen and I'm making you something big, hearty and totally delicious. It's my brisket of beef that I cook in the pressure cooker, and I'm cooking that with creamy mashed potatoes, what I bake first, and an extra thick gravy. It's absolutely delicious. So if you like the sound of that, come with me now, hit like, maybe hit subscribe and follow along with the recipe. So let's quickly run through our ingredients. We have half a green cabbage, a large bowl of chestnut mushrooms, half a kilo of pork belly, 1 kilo of rolled brisket, half a pack of butter, 3 large carrots, 4 small onions, some parsley, 2 tablespoons of brown sauce, 1 teaspoon of English mustard and 5 cloves of garlic. And then we have a bowl of potatoes. These are white potatoes that I've just washed and salted, and they're going to go in the oven now for about 180 degrees for about an hour and a quarter. We've got our beef stock, some white pepper and a dash of milk to make the mash nice and smooth.
And now in a hot wok, I'll add some oil and I'm going to brown my brisket. It needs to be browned on all sides in order to seal in the flavour. The pressure cooker can dry stuff out if not. I use a wok as I can cover over with a splash guard to save my cooking. I'm now going to saute my pork and my vegetables in my pressure cooker. So I bring the oil up to temperature, put in the pork, put in my onions and some carrots, and I saute for around 10 minutes, just so the pork's rendered down. So now that our pork is rendered down nicely, we're going to add some other ingredients. We're going to add our stock. And be sure to give the bottom of the pan a good scrape to get all that caramelised stuff off. We're going to add our mustard, and our brown sauce and our garlic. And finally, we're going to add our beef back into our pot, our mushrooms, so let's just check the seal on our pressure cooker to make sure there aren't any splits or tears. Perfect. We're going to seal up, put the rocker on and cook on high for between 70 and 90 minutes. My skin on potatoes are now ready. I'm just cutting them into quarters and putting them in a large bowl. And now in my large bowl, I'm going to add lots of butter, lashings of butter, a splash of milk, a good pinch of white pepper, and let's give our potatoes a bit of a smashing. These are rustic potatoes, so we're not interested in making a pulp, we just want to break them up. Now our potatoes are mashed, let's add our cabbage that I've steamed for just 2 minutes. And our parsley. And let's bring them together.
So my beef's had around 15 minutes just sitting inside the pressure cooker. I'm taking it out very carefully as it's very tender. I'm just going to cover it over while I prepare the gravy. And so I've separated the larger pieces of pork belly and the larger mushrooms, and I'm setting aside as I want to serve those with the food. And the rest of the mixture that was in the pressure cooker I've put in here, so the onions, the vegetables and the gravy. And I'm just going to blitz that up. Fantastic. And then this mixture I'm going to bring back to a saucepan. So I've reduced my gravy mix by about a third, and now we are lovely and thick and a little gloopy. And I'm going to reintroduce the pork belly and the mushrooms so they can warm back through. And I'm almost ready to plate up. So it's time to plate up. Let's get to it. So let's have a big wallop of our mash. Like so. Let's set that aside. And let's cut some juicy slices of beef. There we go, absolutely delicious. And finally, let's add our gravy. Absolutely delicious. I can't wait. And there we have it, my beef brisket. Mashed potatoes, thick gravy. We don't need a knife for this. Let's get tucking. That's delicious. And we'll see you next time.